Greetings, ones and ones. The dancehall professor here again with another director's overview. And I don't know, may I do this because I want to give the people an insight of what it takes to create these scenes for the bartender. And for the persons who say it has been very insightful for them, thank you guys for continuing to encourage us to keep giving you good content. So, tonight, I'll be looking at
Boss man, that I know
Bring
me.
Back the
I
Data.
know I don't touch a straw in a year upon her head. You hear me? Tell me something. You sure? She not play some tricks by you again, brother.
I witness it with my own 2 eye when them shoot her. It's not a trick.
Well, I know me take her out, brother. You know me work already, man. Would I never pull off something like that? You think me would I do that? I make them video call you? Come on, man. You know something? You really make a joke out of my profession now, and it looks so.
Pause for the cause. Let's talk about some of the challenges that we had with a scene like this. So, first thing is, the actors got the lines on the day. So my respect with the actors is the fact that they embody them characters so much that once them get the lines, them can browse over it and know the essence of it, because sometimes you're not asking them to remember the lines verbatim. Them just get the essence of the lines and them know what the character and the way the character is supposed to deliver it. So that is one of the challenges that we had, having to wait for the actors them to get the lines and then to be able to deliver them based on how the character would deliver them. The next thing is, we had an issue with the spot that we were at. The spot, the sun kept coming through the trees and we have to move the chair and table every minute to get the right kind of light under the trees. So sometimes it's very challenging, but the actors always pull it off.
You think it's funny? You think this is a joke? No, it's not the time to be humorous. You think it's easy to sit down and watch when I box your daughter left, right, and center, and you can't do nothing about it. You have to sit down and watch.
That is the level of intensity where you get because he understands what he's delivering.
Watch my daughter dead in front of me. She take her last breath in my hand. I said, Trini, I forgot to go talk to my one, you know. Don't make that mistake again. Or you would have find yourself same place with your wife, you know.
Pause for the cause again. Now, the dialogue between the two actors, Marcus and Savage. Marcus is still talking in, let me use this, in present tense, which means that his daughter is still here. And he would have liked to get back his daughter from this ordeal. And Emma asks Savage if Savage know what it feels like to see his daughter being physically abused like this. But Savage have his own story. Savage's story, as far as he's concerned, is far more heartrending because his daughter died in his hands. So now we have two actors having to go at it in terms of intensity in the scene to see whose story or whose situation seem more passionate. And may I tell you, this is what keeps you engaged when two actors understand the assignment and go at it like this. Now, let us see Marcus' reaction. This is the calm before the storm. Look at things where set up the intensity, taking off of the glasses. Action time. Movements.
The way I feel like the 99 can right that's right now. I'm so off the plane. You want love Metro Media at the right life.
Quick pause for the cause again. that moment from Marcus take off him glasses, play the moment, walk up, grab Savage, use him hand and twist it down, right up to where Ricky walks up to Savage. That is what you call a one shot. All of that happened. The camera don't cut, the camera do one shot. That again is something that has to be rehearsed so you can get that flow. You can't do that 2 times, you have to just do that one go. Back to it.
Ricky, stand down. Stand down, Ricky. Stand down.
Yeah, stand down, Ricky. Before you get put down. And Ricky, fetch me iron kid. Well cool.
So one of the things that people love about some of the scenes,
Don't get it twisted, you know.
you get some catchphrases in there, like when Savage talk about
You can try certain things with me. Remember, you're a wild animal when no man can control me.
wild animal when no man can control me. We can have the 9 Night right here, so where you want. Stone Love, Metro Media, or Bright Light. These are some of the what we use as punchlines where people never forget. And also when Ricky say, any music play, we can dance to it.
Savage.
I write them lines deliberately
You're half of the
for
money.
people to get drawn to the scene.
Bring back my daughter.
We can't bring back what we never take.
Savage,
Really, Michael?
Believe me, people, I become an audience member
alright.
after shooting something like this and watching it back
Good, Ricky.
and see that the execution was right. And conscience and murder, I mean.
Savage. I want my daughter. Natalie again.
Well, you talk to the wrong man.
Well, you talk to the wrong man. And they lean back. It's a kind of baddest kind of vibe, you know?
You know, chess player. Very strategic. And you know me love chess. Me I tell you, I'm not gonna say it again. Bring back my daughter.
Man use a look
You can keep it. Just bring back the
and then bodyguard understood the assignment. Savage is left deep in thought. When Marcus up to, boom, bring back my daughter. People, if you thought this was a very intense scene, comment below. Tell me which was your favorite catch phrase, you know, when Savage said, we can't do the 9 Nights right here, so, you know. Or when Ricky say, any music play, we can dance to it. Or Savage other line where say, remember say, me a wild animal, you can't tame me. Tell me which of those was your favorite. Yeah, until the next time, the director will be back with another overview. Blessed.